Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto, and I am here setting up my business traveler's notebook. So I am using the Scrapbook Mountains kit that I came out with during the Black Friday sale. It's going to be available in my shop once my shop is live again on January 8th. So I am setting up one page for like non January 2021 setup, and that is my business income page where I am marking in um, different types of incomes every month. So I am going to have spaces and colors associated with different types of incomes. That way I can mark all those things. But I messed up and now I need to talk to live Erin to show you what I did.
Hi everyone, it's live Erin, and while I was changing the camera angle, I stopped recording for some reason. So I'm going to go ahead and go through what you missed and then hop back into the time lapse. So this is a business income page. So I have the spaces for Etsy, website, YouTube, affiliate, and Patreon, and these are going to be bar graphs. So two of the spaces are going to be filled with my income, and then I think I might do a third one for my expenses. I'm going to try to figure that out. I've left some space just in case. I don't want to do it that way, and I've left a spread just in case. So I have January through December here. Like I said, I've left a space, probably a brain dump page, and then probably some sort of expenses page. And then I started setting up January. I'm using a rose gold foil right here. And I use the quote, "There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure." I decided not to do a monthly log right here because I'm splitting up my monthly log. So I wanted to start it off with a quote. So like I said, I'm doing monthly logs in other places. So I have my Patreon schedule here where I will do a log. I have a video plan. So these are the days of the week that my videos will be going up. They'll probably be going up Tuesdays and Fridays, generally speaking, except for today's video, which is going up on a Saturday. And then you can already see my February plan with me is scheduled for the 19th. And this is the last page that I set up, and then we'll go ahead and continue on. Here's a master task list. These are just going to be a master list of business tasks that I want to get done. I don't do any sort of daily or weekly logs in my business traveler's notebook, so I just work from one task list the entire month. I also have a monthly goals section. I only have 2 goals this month. Finalize in the annual sale. So I am having an annual anniversary sale in February. So I want to finalize all the items for that. And $3,000 in total income is another goal. And then I have my normal monthly review where I review my social media. So Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Patreon. And then I have sales. I've combined Etsy and my website into one section, what my stats are from the previous month, or at the start of the month, rather, at the end of the month, and then the difference. And now let's go back to the time lapse.
Oh, my brain sometimes. So, anyways, we are on to another page where I am doing my 2020 taxes. I am a very early tax person. I like to get mine done by the end of January, so by January 31st. I typically have my taxes done. It depends usually on my job and when they're able to get the tax information to me. So anyways, I have a section for my 2020 taxes so that I can detail out some more information for my business related taxes. There's a lot more that goes into my business taxes than my other taxes, so I do have to do like a full eval of the year. And then I have a finances section next to that where I have a section for income and expenses as well. I can't really talk about this much yet, but I am working on something, so I have a page set up for that. I need to keep track of some important dates in the month for that and like some tasks that I have to do. So more information to come. I think in a couple days from now, that information will be released. So I use this little sticky note that says important dates to remember, and I have a little section that I will note down the important dates. And then I have another section for the to-do list for under there. And then I also have an order tracker. I really debated how I was going to do this order tracker this month. I am now printing out the actual order, so I don't really need to go through and put a lot of details when it comes to the items on the order. I really just need to put down like the order number and the name of the person. That way I'm just double checking, because a lot of times I print all of the papers and I start to sort through them, and I don't want any of them to end up getting lost and it just not to get to someone. So I have a section to check off the, like when the order is done, the name of the person and the order number. And then I put some extra deco in there as well. So again, this is deco from the Scrapbook Mountains kit. I hope you like this video and how to use some of the stickers. Like I said before, I really enjoy using this Business Traveler's Notebook, and it's really helped me focus on just business related things. So I am really glad to be using that for this month along with some of my stickers. A special thank you to my patrons, because you guys are amazing. And if you want to see some more videos, try checking out some of these.